Hey, so I'm going to show you this new water flosser I just got. I've only used this a couple times so far, but it seems to work good. Like other water flossers, you're going to turn it on with that button there, change the mode. This one has just 3 modes, has a soft, strong, and a pulsing mode. I like the pulse mode myself, although sometimes I use the strong mode as well. And that on this one, the strong mode does work pretty well. So I'm going to open this up and show you how to fill it. This bottom part just kind of twists off like this. You can open it up like that. You can fill this all the way up like this. Then you just twist it back on like that. So we're going to try this out and I'll let you know how it feels. So I just finished using the pulsing method and works pretty good for me. I find that 1 full canister of water is enough to do all of my teeth, both fronts and backs. And yeah, so I think it's the perfect size canister. And yeah, you charge it up via USB-C right there, and it is waterproof. So you just put that on top like that. It does come with various tips as well, so you can change that depending on your preferences. I like this one that's kind of soft, flexible there. Really helps me get into the crevices between my teeth and gums. So yeah, if you're looking for a new water flosser, I like this one. Super portable, really easy to use. I like it.